Hello everyone, welcome to my other video, and in this video I am going to show you the third part of socket.io tutorial. So in my previous two videos I have showed you how to install socket.io and also the basic coding structure of socket.io and how to implement it in your HTML file. So in this video I will discuss about socket events. So sockets work based on events. There are some reserved events which can be accessed using the socket object on the server side as well as the client side. So at first we'll move to server side events. So you can see there are many server side events like connect, message, disconnect, reconnect, ping, join and leave and many more. So I'll not discuss about everything here. So at the first you can see connect events. So the connect is fired upon a successful connection. You can see reconnect and it is fired upon a successful reconnection. Reconnection also takes number of parameters. So now we'll switch to client side events. So in the client side events you can see connect as the server side event. In the client side events you can also find connect error that will give the error message on the server side as well as the client side. So in the hello world example we use the connection and disconnection events to log when a user connected and left. Now we will be using the message event to pass message from the server to the client. To do this we have to modify the io.on connection that is inside your app.js. So here we need to modify something. So you need to write here set timeout and here a function is required. So here you need to write socket dot send and you have to print some message like send a message 3 seconds after connection. Okay, so and here you need to give the seconds in 1000 format. Okay, so actually this will send an event called message which is built in to our client 4 seconds after the client connects. The send function on socket objects associates the message event. Now we need to handle this event on our client side. So go back to your index.html and inside the script tag here you can see script tag is here. You just need to write socket dot on and inside parenthesis write the event name that is message and then function data as argument and you can write inside your page that is document dot write like data. Okay, now save it and go back to your browser, refresh the page and just you can see you have to wait for 3 seconds and you can see sent a message 3 seconds after connection. So if you refresh the page again, you will see hello world is there, and if you wait for 3 seconds it will show send a message 3 seconds after connection. So here we have actually used message event. So message was a built-in event provided by the API, but now it is not that much used in our real-time application. So we need to be able to differentiate between events like the custom events and the defined socket defined events. So to allow the custom events, you can create and fire custom events using the socket.emit function. So now I'll show you how to handle a custom event. So go back to your text editor again and go to app.js, and inside the set timeout just delete this, or you can write socket.emit, and here you can define your custom event name. I'm defining as test event, and you need to give the description here, like description and you can write a custom event. Okay, so that's the thing, and you have to save it. And to handle this custom event on client, we need a listener that listens for the event that for test event. So you need to go back to your index.html file. So inside the index.html file where you have written socket.on method in the previous case, so you just need to pass here test event, what you have named it in your app.js. So here you have to write test event here. So now save it. Okay, so here you have to just write data is object, and to print this you need to write description. So go back to your browser again, refresh the page, so wait for the 3 seconds. So you can see a custom events there. So in this way you can handle all the predefined events as well as the custom events in socket.io. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.